Namaste students, welcome to our EVS class. Before we begin our today's class, let us recall what we have learnt in the earlier class. Okay? In the previous class, we learnt about the family tree and relationships. We learnt how to draw the family tree, where do the grandparents, where to draw the grandparents or paste pictures of grandparents in the family tree. We learnt about a maternal family and a paternal family, and how each one is related in the family tree. How can we read the family tree and how each member is related with others? Yes, today we are going to learn another interesting topic, that is our roles in the family. Our roles in the family. Right, let's move further. We already know that all the family members of a family are related to each other. Today, we will describe why it is important to share the work at home. So, keywords to learn: household, related to the house. Let's look at the chart and answer the question. Name the people in the picture. What task are they doing? Let us see this picture now. So, here we have 4 pictures included in this. Let us observe the first picture. Here you can see that grandparents are helping kids. In what? In doing their studies, right? In the second picture we can see that the kids are helping mother. Okay, kids are helping their mother in kitchen. They are washing and cleaning the dishes, right? In the third picture you can see that both parents are cleaning the house. Okay. In the fourth picture, parents are leaving for work. Okay. Parents are going to their office to do their job. Let us check the picture once again. In the first picture, you can see the grandparents helping the kids with the studies. Right? Do you think it is important? You also need some help in your studies sometimes. Whenever you can't understand something or whenever some homework is given, you'll ask some family members to help you. Yes, you feel happy when someone tells you how to solve the problem or how to write the answer. Yes, that task is important. This is one of the tasks at home in the family. Okay, helping kids with their studies. Okay, here who is doing that? Here grandparents are doing that. And in the second picture you can see that kids are helping their mother in the kitchen. Do you think this task is important within the household, in the family, helping people in the kitchen? Is it important? Yes, it is important because there is lot of cooking, cleaning, right? And if all of us do the work together, it will be done fast. In the third picture, both the parents are cleaning the house. Tell me children, do you like to live in a clean house, clean and neat house, or do you like to stay in such a house where all the things are all over, spread all over and it is untidy? Yes, I know. You want your house to be kept clean and neat. So here both the parents are helping each other, right? In the fourth picture, we see the parents are leaving for work. Every morning they go to their office and come back in the evening. Right. Is this important? Is this important? What do they get in return by working outside? They earn their salary. For family, money is important to pay the expenses. So, all these 4 tasks are important. 4 works are important. Task means kind of work. Helping the kids with the studies, helping in the kitchen, cleaning the house, keeping it clean and neat, going to work to earn money, right? Let's move further. How are the tasks shown in each picture important for a family? So, in the picture, 4 tasks were there. One was helping the children, second one was helping in the kitchen, third one was cleaning the house together, fourth one was leaving for work, okay, going to their offices. Children, tell me, do you think these jobs are important? All these 4 tasks are important in your family? Okay, you need help from your grandparents or any other family members come to help you with your studies? Yes, it is very important. Otherwise, you will be feeling sad, right? Next, helping in the kitchen is very important because there will be lot of work, right? If you do it together, if you help in the kitchen doing the dishes or setting the table, dinner table, then everything will get done fast. Then the third picture we have seen parents helping each other for cleaning the house. Do you think this is important task? Yes, your house also is kept neat and clean. Okay, family members together should help each other to keep the house clean. In the fourth picture we have seen parents leaving for work. Yes, even this task is important. In order to pay the bills like to the milkman, to the gas, for school fees, to get the ration and vegetables, okay, in order to buy electronic gadgets for the family, for all these expenses we need money. So our parents leave for work and earn a salary to pay for the household expenditure, right? Let's move further. Children have to finish their studies to understand the world around them. Okay, as children, it is your duty to do your studies. Why should we study? To understand the world around us. Okay, so parents and grandparents help them to study, right? So your children should study well so that you grow up and become great. So for that reason your parents and grandparents help you. Then the second task, cooking. Cooking is an important household task as everyone at home needs to eat food. Yes, all of us, we begin our day with a glass of milk or cup of tea. Then next we want our breakfast and snacks. We even have our lunch. Evening again tea and snacks, then dinner. All the family members need food to eat. Then what is the task which is important for this? Cooking is also very important. Okay, cooking is also one of the tasks in the family. Then similarly, cleaning the house, toilet, clothes and utensils is important to keep things clean. In order to keep the house clean, what are the tasks? Cleaning the house, cleaning the toilet, okay, washing the clothes and utensils. Okay, if all these things are done, then the house will be sparkling. Then the last task what we have here is earning money. Earning money is important to run the house and buy the things we saw in the last picture. See, whatever things you want, whether books for your studies or the kitchenware, the plates or the vacuum cleaner or store wells or cupboards. For all of these we need money. In order to pay the bills, our parents go for earning money, right? Why is it important to have different roles in a family and share? Okay, every family member in our family, every family member does some tasks regularly. So, that is the role in the family. Each one of us are expected to do something. You as children to study well. Parents, they take care of their children's needs, whether it is food or clothes or education or any other matter. Grandparents see that they help other family members and grandchildren. So, there are different roles in a family and all the family members share the household work, right? Cooking food, cleaning the house, earning money and taking care of children are important tasks when running a house. Okay, these are very important. What? Cooking food, cleaning the house, earning money and taking care of children are important tasks when running a house. If family members divide the work among them, then the tasks can be done well and on time. This is something very important, students. You have to remember this. Why should the family members share the work? Why should the family members, okay, divide the work and do it? They should share the work and do it. See, it is not possible for a single person in the family to do all the cleaning, cooking or earning money or helping students with children with studies or taking care of young babies. Do you think it is easy for one person to do? No, it is very hard. So, all the family members should share the work and do the tasks. Okay, if everyone shares, if all the family members take part in the work and share the work, household work, then the work will be done well. The tasks will be done well. And in a short time, they'll be done. Okay, why should the family members share the work? They should share the work because the task can be done well, the work will be done perfectly and on time. Okay, on time it will be done. This also helps to build strong relationships between family members. If each one of us in our family we do our tasks properly, then we'll have a very good relationship with other family members. Sometimes a task is shared by more than one person or they take turns to do it. Yes, sometimes a single task needs more than one person. Okay, for example, taking care of a newborn baby, both the parents share, right? They carry the baby, they take shifts or they take turns to carry the baby, or even the other family members see that the baby is comfortable, they'll do the work from their side. So sometimes a task is shared by more than one person or they take turns to do it. So, whether it is cleaning part, cleaning the house, it can be shared by all the family members, right? So there is one nice word web here. Hope you could draw it in your classwork. Tasks in a family. TASKS. Tasks. Tasks means the important works. Okay, what are these? First one on the top, cleaning, earning, cooking, buying things, cleaning and washing. These are the main works in the family. Okay, main tasks in every family. What is it? First one, cleaning. Second one, earning money. to pay the expenses in the family. Cooking is important because all the family members need to eat. Okay, cooking is important. Buying things, yes, buying things is important because we might need different things, so buying things is also important. Cleaning and washing, yes, these are the 5 important tasks in every family. What are these? Cleaning, earning, cooking, buying things, cleaning and washing, right? Let's move further. When and how can we work together with our neighbors? Okay, you know who are our neighbors, right? People living close to us, okay? In our neighborhood, they are our neighbors. So, how can we work together with our neighbors? Yes, tell me. When should we work together with our neighbors? It is important to work together with our neighbors. We should talk with them regularly to understand the tasks in the neighborhood. See, we have to work with our neighbors. We should talk with them regularly. Why should we talk with them regularly? To understand what is happening in the neighborhood. What are the things to be done in the neighborhood? Right? Next question, next one. We can work together to keep the surroundings of our houses clean. Okay, the surroundings around our house, you can plant some trees, clean the yards. Okay, you can work together. Then we can take care of street animals and the plants in our gardens. We can make plans to celebrate festivals together. Yes, festivals can be celebrated along with our neighbors, right? Let's move further. Now let us open our workbook. All of you open workbook 3.2. I repeat, open your workbook to 3.2. Let us read the question. Who cooks food in your house? This is something you should write it. Okay, who cooks food in your house? Write neatly. Okay, a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Remember that. So, is it your mother who cooks the food in your house? You write, my mother cooks the food in our family. Or whoever cooks food in your family. If your mother is not cooking, some other family member is cooking, you can write this family member. Okay. Then who helps you study? Who helps you to study in studies if you have a doubt, or who tells you what to learn? Write that family member's name. Okay, what will happen if only one family member has to do all the work in the house? Yes, students, tell me what happens if all the work is done by only one family member. Remaining family members are enjoying or sitting, and one family member has to do the cleaning, cooking, washing the clothes and utensils, taking care of the children. Do you think it is easy? No, it is very hard. If one member does all of these things, that family member might fall sick, and even the work quality also goes down. Okay, the cooking might not come out good. Okay, the person might get irritated. They may fall sick because of too much work. So what will you write here? If one family member has to do all the work in the house, the person may fall sick and the quality of the work also comes down, right? Then write 2 tasks you can do to help your family. Nana, as a child, what can you do for your family? Think about it. There are many things that you can do. You can water the plants, you can help your mother in the kitchen, you can set the dinner table, you can take care of the clothes. In the first chapter we learned how to take care of our personal things. Okay, keep your things in their place. right? Try to study by yourself. Only if you have any doubt, then you can ask your family members to do it, right? There are many things, but you can write only 2 tasks which you can do for the family. Next question, write one way you can help your neighbor who is sick. Okay, if someone is sick in our neighborhood, what can you do? How can you help the neighbor? Okay, we can talk to them and find out about their health. We can ask them what happened. Okay, how is your health now? Do you need any medicines? Or are you feeling like eating something? Can I cook something for you? Can I get something for you? There are many things that we can do. Okay, so we can help the neighbor by giving them some medicines or asking what they need and give them, right? Let's move further. We are almost done with our lesson. Little, okay. Now this is your content book. All of you open your content book. You have these questions are there. We need to answer. What roles do the different members of your family play? Okay, this question is asking you, in your family, how many members are there? Okay, what does each member do for the family? Okay, you can write, my mother cooks for the family. My parents together clean the house. We children, we study, we do our studies, and also set the dinner table and take care of our personal things. Grandparents water the plants, right, and help mother in the kitchen for cutting vegetables. You can write what each family member does. Okay, then second question, why is it important to share work in a family? Write 2 reasons. Answer, it is important to share work in a family because the work will be done well and also on time it will be done. Okay, the work will be done well on time. Third question, write one thing you do at home to help your elders. Nana, each one of you, everyone does something for their family. What are you doing for your family? To help elders, what are you doing? You should write about it. Maybe you get some things from the general store near your house, or maybe you water the plants, or whatever you are doing, you can write one thing which you do for the family, right? So that's all for today, students. We have finished block 3.2, our roles in a family. Bye bye. Complete the work in your worksheet and content book. Answer the question. Read the lesson twice.